You can learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for months. But if you don't build projects, no one will ever see your skills. In this video, I'll show you 5 real projects that can turn your knowledge into a portfolio that gets noticed. Alright, the first project you must build is your responsive portfolio website. Think of it as your digital handshake. It's the first thing recruiters, clients, or collaborators will see when they search your name. Start simple. If you're a beginner, begin with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then once you're comfortable, or if you've already studied a framework like React or Angular, use it to make your site more dynamic and professional. Focus on creating a clean and modern UI. Make it fully responsive for all devices, and add some smooth animations to bring it to life. Why is this project valuable? Because it shows you understand how to structure a page, design it well, and make it easy for everyone to use. And remember, this is your personal brand, so make it unique. Make it creative. Make it you. The second project you can build is an e-commerce website, or a small mini-store. This is one of the best ways to practice building real-world interfaces that users actually interact with. For example, if you're using React, you can manage your data between components using Context API or Redux. Focus on creating product cards, adding filters like price or category, and building a shopping cart where users can add or remove items. You can even simulate a simple checkout process. It doesn't have to be real, just a smooth flow that feels complete. And don't worry about the back end. You can simply use a JSON file or some static sample data inside your project. Why is this project valuable? Because it shows that you can handle dynamic data, manage state, and build interactive user experiences, which are key skills for every front-end developer. And the best part? You'll see your code come to life as users browse, click, and interact with your app, just like in a real online store. The third project you can build is a task manager, or a simple to-do app. It's one of the most classic beginner projects, but still one of the best for improving your front-end skills. You can build it using vanilla JavaScript if you want to strengthen your fundamentals, or use React to practice working with components and state. Focus on the basics, adding, editing, and deleting tasks, what we call CRUD operations. Save your tasks using local storage, so even if you refresh the page, your data stays there. And to make it more fun, you can add drag and drop to reorder your tasks, or even include a dark mode for a better user experience. Why is this project valuable? Because it teaches you how to manipulate the DOM, handle user events, and manage data persistence, all key skills for real-world front-end work. It's simple, practical, and something every developer should have in their portfolio. Project number 4, a dashboard with charts. This one looks super professional and really catches attention in your portfolio. You can build it using React, and for charts, use libraries like Chart.js or Recharts. Focus on data visualization, building a responsive grid layout, and maybe fetching data from a simple public API. You can also add filters to change what data is displayed. That small touch makes it feel like a real analytics app. Why is this project valuable? Because companies love dashboards. They show that you can work with APIs, design layouts, and present data clearly, which are highly demanded skills in real-world projects. Plus, it looks amazing in a demo. Charts and stats always stand out. And finally, project number 5, a blog website. You can build it using React or Next.js to practice things like routing and dynamic content. Focus on creating pages for your blog posts, displaying them nicely, and making the whole layout clean and responsive. You can also add simple features like likes, comments, or tags to make it more interactive, and you can keep all your data locally or with a fake API. Why is this project valuable? Because it shows that you understand routing, content structure, and user experience, all key skills for every front-end developer. It's creative, professional, and one of the best ways to show your front-end skills in action.